Hello, good evening, all of you. The corona cases are increasing day by day in India. And here the news is from Bikaner. If I think about Delhi buses, there are more than 800 cases per day. So in this last week, there are lots of cases in Bikaner. Here is the news from Tolesa Bharuji Gali. This is the market, main market of Tolesa Bharuji Gali in Bikaner. Normal days you will find hundreds of people shopping here, moving here, but now this is Zen market, totally closed. You will find no one here. So this is the total due to corona cases. All the shops are closed. Not a single person you will find here. This is really a bad situation. But even if you think about India, in today is 24th of April, the cases here in India 3 lakh 45,786 cases. So the roads are blocked, and even the lots of routes has been closed by the government. Barricades has been used to stop the people. Prithvi market here is there. Even you can find some 3 or 4, I think, shopkeepers maybe, and even maybe their houses are there. So totally disappointment for all the businessmen who have shops here in this market, and this is not good news for all them, because in normal it's a festival season is going on, Eid is approaching, even wedding season is going on, but shopping, there is no shopping because maximum shops are closed, all the market are closed. So how can we think about this also? Even this is a single street block, so it's not possible to find out the properly. And who knows that when will be the opening all the news, and when will the normal days not possible for in coming days. Maybe this is April, and even the Supreme Court is saying that peak point will be in May, so the next month, and here it is April is going on. So there is really a loss of problem even for a common people, as government decided from Monday the market will be from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. and after 12 there will be no any shops opening, like petrol pump even they also been included for this. So this is the Tolesa Bharuji Gali. Some people are sitting there. Yes, this is the main route to come inside, and it's even blocked. So no any vehicle can enter in this market. So this is the situation of this market. Totally changed for Bikaneris. This is not good news for businessmen, common people. Not possible to shop anything. Not possible to work in the market. Even helmet checking is going on. So if you're coming here, so you have to wear a helmet, and helmet is compulsory to wear. You can see here the helmet checking is going on. So not possible to come without helmet. Some NCC guards are taking charge, and they are helping the government. And this is Station Road, and here is KEM Road. KEM Road. Corona warriors just doing their duty well. Police guards, some NCC cadets, they are trying to make the situation in good order. And this is the KEM Road, the same situation of KEM Road. You can see here, no shops are open here. Only few people just walking here and there, and that is a court gate that side you can find here. So this is the total view of Bikaner these days in these corona periods. Definitely this is alarming situation for coming days. People should think that we should not go outside without any purpose, without any work. And even if we going some emergency, you should go with mask, sanitizer and helmet as well. Thank you very much here from Bikaner.